Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a 3D area chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to create a 3D area chart. At first, select some data, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu, select the recommended chart drop down menu. Then go to the all chart. Now I am select the area option. We can see here many area chart. Now I am select only the 3D area. You can select the chart double or the single. Now I am select this and click OK. Now we can see here the 3D area chart. You want to change the layout or add the more than style or effect. Select the chart, go to the chart design menu. Select the style drop down menu. We can see here many style. You can add any style of the chart. Now I am select this. You can change the color of the charts. Otherwise you can add any element like axis, chart title, data label, data table, etc. Otherwise you can rename the chart title. Click inside the text box and rename this. Now we can see we create a 3D area chart in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.